Today we're at the 2023 St. Charles County Fair. We're going to the truck and tractor pulls. Hope you enjoy. There's all kinds of classes we got to watch, so come along.
Got that weight box. Got that front end weighted all the way down on these 4x4 trucks.
I really enjoyed a 4x4 class. I like seeing the trucks do the pulls. I think the tractors are pretty cool, but I love the 4x4s.
We're going to be ready for our next man. What do you think, boys and girls? He's going to make 311? Anthony's like he had a union.
Sometimes these big diesel tractors, they get a little bit out of the line and, well, they got to stop. We even had some of the big alcohol tractors here as well. I think this is a pretty cool old power wagon. Now some of these are gas and some are diesel. I think you can figure out which is which. And if you think these are just a bunch of old boys with trucks on the trailers, these are full professional race teams. I need to reach out to Fast and see if I can do a video with them. They are local to me.
Make some noise, help it out. Right out of 40 feet.
These next two tractors are pretty cool. It'd be fun to be able to drive something like this.
Check this thing coming on our track here. Look at that modified. Oh yeah, the Blue Lightning. Sponsored by Kisker Grading out of St. Charles. 15-year-old Morgan Kisker going to make her pass here. On the Blue Lightning at the St. Charles County Fair. Come on now, folks. Get ready. Help her out. All right, we got it fired up. Now, our first little lady, she was driving a naturally aspirated engine. Got here a little whining on this one. Yeah, we got us a blower motor coming in now. After a couple of years now. All right, your turn, folks. Make some noise now.
Hope you enjoyed the 2023 Truck and Tractor Pulls. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think of it. And I'll see you here on the next event.